In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable opportunity splits in Salesforce. This process is crucial for organizations that want to track multiple team members' contributions to a single sales opportunity efficiently. It allows you to split credit among sales team members, ensuring everyone gets the recognition they deserve. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account, a familiar starting point for any Salesforce task. After logging in, the next step is to access the Setup area. Now, if you're not already familiar, Setup is where Salesforce allows admins to control and configure just about all aspects of their Salesforce environment. Once you're there, you'll find a search bar at the top. This bar is your best friend for navigating the myriad of options available. Type Opportunity Splits into the search bar. As you type, you should see options start to filter through. Click on the Opportunity Splits item that appears. This will take you to the pane where you can manage everything related to opportunity splits in your Salesforce platform. Now you'll see a rather straightforward page allowing you to enable splits. Click on Set up Opportunity Splits. This enables you to define how opportunity splits work for your sales data and ensures that the feature is active, setting the stage for all your custom tracking needs. Once you have clicked to set it up, remember to save your configuration. Clicking Save is a small yet crucial step to ensure all your customization and setup efforts are preserved and live within your Salesforce environment. It may seem simple, but overlooking this could mean starting over, so don't forget this important click. After enabling the splits and saving your configuration, you can now configure split types to create custom splits specifically tailored for your organization's needs. This part is where Salesforce lets you get creative and flexible. For example, you can establish how much each team member contributed to closing a deal and allocate percentages accordingly. This might involve dividing percentages based on sales roles, teams, or individual contributions. Remember, the goal here is to customize these splits so that they best reflect your team's structure and workflow. By the end of this process, you should have successfully enabled and configured opportunity splits in Salesforce, allowing your organization to track and report on team sales efforts more precisely. This not only enhances visibility, but also fosters a more collaborative environment where contributions can be recognized and rewarded appropriately. Thank you for joining me in this setup walkthrough. With these steps, you're all set to improve your organization's tracking efficiency with Salesforce Opportunity Splits.